What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. Is that Alex?
What is going? Oh, he's going to go get after the doctor bills because he has the doctor bill too. Because everyone in the house has fucking the flu.
You interrupted my video? Oh.
I don't have shit though.
Anyways, so today we're gonna do something really simple, something that was requested like a long time ago and by multiple people. We're gonna be finally going over the exhaust of my F32. It's super dirty, ignore the car.
I found the video.
Oh, which one? Oh.
It took me a long ass time to find it.
So right now I'm running just like I was telling you guys on the other video that I just posted. I'm running just a base off the shelf map from MHD. So I'm pushing around 480, which is decent. Not too crazy about it, just because I spent like $4,000 on the turbo. I was expecting more, but I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get high boosting once I upgrade my high pressure fuel pump. All right, so just wait on it, guys. Just wait on it, and then we'll be pushing real big numbers. So right now, just off the shelf map. I don't have any burbles on right now. I'm just gonna do pure exhaust. Actually, no. You know what? Let me get my my other phone. That way I can tune it. And we're back. We got this phone. So once we're gonna drive a little bit somewhere over there, just get the exhaust of it, and then once we get to a little bit to the back roads, I'm gonna turn it up to the max burble and hear how that sounds. But I hope you guys enjoy. Right now, I haven't turned on the car in about 2 days because I was off, and we'll have Axel record that cold start. So you guys can hear it's crazy loud, so let's get out of here. Actually, let me turn it off. That's stupid loud. Through the MHD app, you can choose like a quiet mode, which is like the noise reduction, so it can be like nice and quiet. But I turned that off just for you guys, just for this video. I normally don't run it just because it's too loud and I don't want the neighbors to complain, but... You hear that, Patrick? Hey, we should make that one fucking TikTok video. Oh, but the neighbors?
Yeah. I was looking around too, I'm like, you see a cop pull up?
No, I always have the noise reduction because I don't want to piss off everybody.
Also, right now you have it on off.
I have it off. Cool, so we finally hit some of the back roads in the outskirts of Madera. So we're just gonna turn up the burble tune. I'm gonna flash my custom tune. So I'm gonna do a flash custom map. I'm gonna do it's version 1, so that's still the one where I'm misfiring, but I'm definitely getting like a lot more boost and you can definitely feel it. So we're gonna be running that one for a little bit. So let's do that. And let's do options. As you guys can see, I have the precision racewear coils. I did do the cold start noise reduction, so I turned it off for you guys. That way the car is nice and loud. Let's do exhaust burble. Let's do in sport. Let's max out. It's maxed out. Oh, perfect. It's already maxed out, so everything's done for us. And now it's time for map right. Oh, I forgot the car had to be in not on. So it totally crashed on me. Alright, so the car is just on the accessory mode, right, where it's not fully on. Let's try this again. It's connected. It should start. There we go, it's communicating. There we go. Okay, so I got the email, and right here he says, yeah, your rail pressure is scratching hard. This was straight 91. So I can only run 91, right? So I only have a low pressure fuel pump, not running the high, so 91 is the max I can do. I can't run the 85. So normally with 91 I should be able to run this tune, but he's saying my rail pressure is crashing like dramatically hard. So I sent him an email telling him if there is any way we can lower the boost and just run it for that until I can run the high pressure fuel pump, or any suggestions, because he's the tuner, he's going to be able to fix my issues. I'm just going to wait for his response, and I'm going to probably make a separate video just to see what's going on, because obviously my car's just dying out on high RPM. So there is a problem for sure, because the tuners, you know, just commented on it. But we'll figure out the issues once they email me back and I have a conversation with them and stuff. But until then, I am running their version 1. They haven't sent me a version 2, a revision of it with the lower boost, so I'm running version 1 with a little bit more higher boost, but it is crashing on me, so that's perfectly fine. I'm not really going to be pushing it that much, because all we're doing is just kind of hearing the burble tune, so we'll be fine. So let's go ahead and start the car up and hear the burble. I think it was set for minimum RPM. Yep, 0. There we go. That way it can just burble like crazy whenever I'm driving slow. Hopefully they email me back, because I do want to end up finding out like what's going on.